Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about the authenticity of life. We are going to discuss what is the importance, what is the significance of reality over the fake life that we are living. When I say fake life, I mean all the activities that we are with engaged in, not really associate with us, with our reality, and how we can acquire the the position of living the authentic life of ours. So, in the very beginning, I want to make it clear what we are doing in our everyday life. Most of us, I won't say everyone, but most of us have changed the perception of what life is. For most of us, life is just being enjoying and avoiding the difficult phase, avoiding the challenging phase, and to put more focus on the bright side, or I would say the side which is dopamine releasing. Dopamine releasing means entertainment, everything that we enjoy, but we don't, everything that we just enjoy, that soothe our pleasure, that soothe our imagination, our desires, our fantasies, all such activities we enjoy, and that is why these are these release dopamine, right? And we are 80% in everyday life, we are engaged 80% in these type of doing these type of activities, and we don't realize that what's wrong we are doing, but that at the same time we are doing really wrong, right? Most of the activities have just become our daily routine, like, and we have changed the way we uh, perceive life, so we made it so normal, so common, that we just can't imagine a real life without doing those activities. Activities like phone, watching any kind of content on your mobile phone, on your laptops, right? Sleeping, doing nothing, yeah, wasting your time by engaging yourself in less productive activities, or even not even productive activities. how these activities are causing to you. Well, your phone, which has become the part and parcel of your life. You think so. I don't say that it has become the part and parcel of your. You just perceive. You just have believed. You already have believed that yes, it is my part and parcel. I cannot separate myself with my phone. How can I live? How can I manage without phone? Every data is in it. And see, first of all, we must understand that whatever the ideas we have today, or we perceive them as if they are authentic. Uh, well, the fact is they are not. They are not authentic ideas. They are not authentic statement. You must have heard that in the contemporary world, your mobile phone is really important. I, living in this contemporary world, totally disapproves this. I totally disagree with this statement that mobile phone is very important. No. These are the strategies to put the fact that it is important in your subconscious mind by the business uh, sector. They want that their product must be very important, very familiar, very common, that nobody can live without it. They want, because every company want its product to be sold, right? And if you think that it has become very important, just imagine what were you doing. You think so that literally I cannot live without phone, right? Just imagine how were you living before 10 years, 10 year ago. There was not one. I did not have phone, right? I mean, when I was in 6th 7th class, I was quite young. I did not have any phone. My mother used to have a Samsung phone, which was keypad, and it was just for making the calls and receiving the calls. That's it. There were no feature. There was a game, Snakes. I used to play that game, and that's it. My screen time at that time was not more than mm, 10 15 minutes in 24 hours. But I still used to enjoy those days. I watched TV. hmm? I used to play. I used to enjoy the school. I used to be with my friends. I used to study. I used to work out. All those activity I liked so much. Hmm? What that means? It means that we can live without phone, and it is a fact. We can live without phone. There is no need uh, to use phone to be happy. No, not at all. You can be happy, and nowadays, if you are not using your phone, it is it is indirectly leading to your happiness, because nowadays your phone consumes your time. It just consumes your time. And if you are a man, or if you are a human being, authentic human being, real human being, then there is a there's something inside us. We call it soul or anything, uh, guts, or inner inner side. It uh, make us realize, or it I would say it notice everything that we do. It notice, and when we do something which is not which we which we are not ought to do, there is a feeling of guilt we feel, because that those tasks are not meant for us, or those are so inferior that they does not those tasks does not suits our personalities. If you're a man, one of the characteristics of man is to innovate, to build, not to consume so much. आ रहा हूँ आ रहा हूँ आ रहा हूँ And when you just use your phone, see, to be honest, I accept that most 99% of my screen time goes to just watching unnecessary videos, nominal, just rubbish videos, and just they just soothe my fantasies and not anything else. I don't learn from those videos. It just being okay. It is being feeling good, and these videos are just kind of tempting. That's why I watch them. I scroll because every content that I'm watching is showing me something which I cannot see currently. See, I watch vlogs of travelings, right? But at the same time, I know that traveling itself is a very good activity. I enjoy it. I want to travel. For that, I need money. I must need money. Okay. I need good health. I need power, literally, I need to have something for my security, because if I travel somewhere, but if there is a need, to save my life, what would I do? Most of you, some of you have must have got my point. तो इसलिए अल्टीमेटली वट एवर आई हैव सैड, वो जस्ट इसलिए ये बात थी कि आज के टाइम में हम इतना ज़्यादा स्क्रीन टाइम यूज़ करते हैं, इतना ज़्यादा हमने आपको इन्वॉल्व कर रखा है, सोशल मीडिया एंड ऑल दैट, स्क्रीन, फोन, मोबाइल, लैपटॉप, ऑल दिस शिट, हमने इतना ज़्यादा अपने आप को एंगेज कर रखा है इन सब एक्टिविटीज़ में, इन सब चीज़ों में, डैट हम अपनी ऑथेंटिक लाइफ को जी नहीं पाते, और हमें अपनी ऑथेंटिक लाइफ बोरिंग लगने लगी है। बिकॉज वो ऑथेंटिक है, उसको लिए ना अपने को हर एक चीज़ के लिए थोड़ा थोड़ा हमें कुछ करना पड़ता है। वहाँ पे द अदर साइड बस स्क्रॉल कर रहे हैं, कुछ नहीं, भाई पहाड़ पे चढ़ना है, स्क्रॉल करते करते हम पहाड़ पे भी चढ़ गए, हमने एंजॉय भी कर लिया, व्यू भी एंजॉय कर लिया, लड़कियों से बात करनी है, देख लिया, बात हो गई ऐसे ही। सब फेक, इसलिए क्योंकि असली लाइफ में क्रिएट करना होता है, इसलिए हमें बोरिंग लगने लगी। लेकिन मज़ा असली लाइफ का ही है यार। हम 2 दिन 3 दिन अगर लगातार चलाएं तो भाई वो पागल हो जाएंगे, क्योंकि वो चीज़ हमारे लिए बनी नहीं है, वो चीज़ हमारे ऊपर सूट ही नहीं करती, अपनी पर्सनैलिटी पे अच्छी नहीं लगती है, हमारी बॉडी भी रिलैक्टेंट करेगी। ठीक है, तो ऑथेंटिक लाइफ जियो। बाकी इसी टॉपिक के बारे में मैं कल और टॉपिक मतलब डिस्कस करूँगा। ठीक है, अभी बस फ़ोन का लिया है, बाकी चीज़ों का भी लूँगा। और सो दैट इज़ फॉर टुडे, थैंक यू, एंड आई वुड अगेन से and live the authentic life of yourself. Goodbye.